Notion is really up in their automations game, and this week they just launched a brand new feature called Database Automations, which lets you do some really cool stuff, such as doing native time tracking directly inside a Notion. That's right, we're hopping directly into ExampleSoy in this database. I've got a little automation that will create a timestamp in this completed date property anytime my status on a task goes from in progress to complete. And then I'm going to be able to see how long the task took, which might be nice for some time tracking purposes. Let me show you how it works. If I alt-click this little status property, I'm going to set this to done. And then a couple of seconds, I'll have my timestamp popping into completed like that. And we can see that this task 2 hours and 42 minutes and 0 seconds. But automations get a whole lot cooler than that, my friends. What about creating default tasks? Whenever I create a brand new project inside of project databases, such as a content project, Zara, where I might have YouTube videos I'm working on, well, if I go ahead and add a brand new project, I'm going to see all this default tasks popping in just a second. And not only do I have these default tasks, but I have assignees for those tasks automatically set. And if I go into any of these projects, I'll be able to see all of those tasks directly in them. I've got my assignees set up. So this automation is allowing us to do a load of really cool things directly inside of Notion automatically. Now, Notion's database automations feature is essentially an if this then that style automation feature where something is going to happen inside of your Notion workspace. Maybe you create a new page or you edit a property of an existing page, and that is going to trigger one or more actions that are going to automatically take place. So let's just dive right into this feature, and I'll show you exactly what we're working with here. And then we're going to get right into some examples so you can see exactly how to build some useful automations yourself.